What's going on, y'all? So today we're picking up a Honda CB off Facebook Marketplace, and I thought I'd bring y'all along. I was sitting in class and came across this post. It's been up for like 3 days, and the guy had it listed at $2,000, and I got him to come down to $1,200, and he said he started running funny in the last day or two, so that's why it went so low. But I was gonna have my buddy drive me up and drive the bike back, and him drive the car back, but again, they said it was running funny, so we grabbed a U-Haul, and the only U-Haul they had left, and the trailer lights don't work, so we're going down the highway with no trailer lights. But we're going to pick up this bike. We've been on the road for about 30 minutes. We probably got 30 minutes more, but we'll update you and bring you guys along, show you the bike. But yeah, see how this goes. It's so funny every time. You're at the house all the way at the bottom, red brick house. Who's home? Oh, who says that? You may want to turn the trailer around before you come through the point.
Oh yeah,
before you come through the narrow point and back it down. Motorcycles under the carport. Okay.
That's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be fun. Dude, this trailer won't even follow me going straight. I don't know how I can back it. I think I'm connected.
Just get that, guys. Okay.
There's a go-kart with a motorcycle.
Okay,
So we're going to pick that up next. What?
It's like right here. So.
Oh my god, this isn't even a road. Does he want us to back in
928
from here?
Wait, 928.
It's this one. I think.
Yeah.
That's 930. Oh, dude, they have a bunch of mailboxes. Okay, wait.
Oh no, it's down there. It's down there.
It's that one?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
does he want us to back the trailer all the way down this?
I think so.
Dude, there's no way. Okay, wait. We're in the middle of the road, but
Yeah.
we're okay. We're at the house way in the bottom, red brick house. You may want to turn the trailer around before you come through the narrow point and back it down on the motorcycles.
Okay, yeah. So he wants to back that all the way down.
Dude, are you kidding? Oh, yeah, there's the cardboard. Time to reverse this thing.
Alright. Oh, there's a car.
Dude, there's no way. Oh, wait. Oh. Please don't jackknife.
That's good.
Alright, you are not even lined up.
Nothing on my side.
Doing good, doing good. Yeah, all the way in the back.
Dude, this guy is looking at us like, what are these people doing? Oh, God, what? Oh, that's moss, low-hanging moss. Okay, is there a wall on your side?
You're getting close to that truck.
Yeah, there you go, that should be good. Oh, man. I don't know how I should strap this, how to strap it. Good bike. I gotta redo this, if I keep it, I gotta redo this wrap on the front exhaust. Alright, where do you think I put this other strap? Keep this thing down. I think the front's okay. I have to wrap it. That's normally what I do, but I don't know. I don't like this trailer. I literally might just go across. Just to make me feel better. Not really for any other reason. Alright, that just makes me feel a little better. I don't shake as much. Crank this one down a little more.
Just tying it back there.
Yeah, pretty much. I hope that doesn't make noise on the road. Alright, ready?
Yeah, you can see it.
Oh, look at this helmet, by the way.
It's a nice helmet.
I know, it's a great helmet. Oh, I can't, I'm swerving. Alright. Let's stop by that gas
I got it.
station. Let's stop by that gas station, by the way.
Let's do it.
What?
Let's do it. Let's see what they got there.
Dude, this is a great helmet. Oh, very nice people, though.
Yeah, very nice guys.
Yeah, they're very guys. Very honest. Alright. So we just got back on the road from buying this thing. And people were very nice, dad and son. And it was pretty much what I expected. Has a gas leak and an oil leak off the valve cover. But it ran. The guy said it quit from flooding out. And that's why I was quitting on him, but I don't know. I haven't gotten to look at it. So when we get back in, might be too dark to show you. If not, I'll just show you all tomorrow. But yeah, looks like a good bike all in all.
Great people, great bike. Bike's a little damaged now, but
Yeah, the bike fell. They strapped it down to the U-Haul trailer and it fell, which was not great, but it only broke the right brake lever, which isn't terrible. So, gotta buy a new one of those. But it's strapped down now, I think.
you're good.
Yeah, it's fine. It'll be fine.
But then you got the helmet.
Yeah, and then we got the helmet. Good helmet.
Great helmet.
Just got back. It's a little darker than we expected. Took a while to drive this thing back. But we're unloading it now, putting it in an empty parking spot, and then we'll show you what's going on with this thing. All right, it's a new day. It's a good day. I've actually been riding this thing for like 2 days now though, so I'm just gonna show you all what I found. One thing is there's an oil leak that's coming straight from the valve cover on this head, and the other thing is it's got a leak on the fork, actually both forks. One's worse than the other, but other than that, it seems to be doing fine. The handlebars hit the gas tank, but that doesn't bother me too much. Other than that, it runs well. I broke this front brake off when I hit it on the trailer, but yeah, other than that, I'm gonna show you all how this thing rides, take it for a quick test ride. Gotta let it warm up just a little bit. So they left me a little spot right here to take. I'm just gonna go for a quick little loop. I hope you can hear me, but I'm just gonna go down the road. Missed second gear. Whoops. Got away with the cops. Yeah, so I know that was a short ride, but it's not a bad bike. Rides pretty well. Once I fix this and the front forks, it seems like it would be a great bike to drive around on. It doesn't have any turn signals though, so that's a little rough. But thank y'all for watching. Yeah, what a bike.